So it's another day at the Red Rooster Inn restoration. Looks like they got this doorway finished. So this originally was here, and they cut out the window. It was just another one of these. They lowered this down, and this is going to be a doorway. And the brick guys did a good job of fixing that all up. Part of the phone system. I'm not sure if it's going to have a phone system, you know, because people don't really have landlines. Either way, if they get rid of this piece of equipment, I might keep it because, well, it'd be really neat to have my own home phone system hooked up with all the old phones that I have. So, dumpster's filling up a little bit. Looks like this is a table from the pub, some bricks and whatnot. Those are kind of crappy looking ones. A lot of this stuff is from the, there was a peak up in the front above one of the doorways that they're taking out, or I guess they already took out. That's some nice heavy wood there. I'm going to keep that. And some nice old growth. But the problem is, I already have way too much old growth lumber as it is. Piled up over here. I just don't know if I need any more. I don't even know if I can take all this stuff. Might just not even have room. Oh, it looks like this is a hot water power washer, or whatever, the pressure washer or whatever. I guess that's owned by the brick guys. They're probably going to be cleaning up all this brick and repointing it, if that's the right term. In a metal detecting video I've already filmed, but will be coming maybe next week or something like that. I metal detected that, and I found a bunch of nails, old square nails from before this building. So the front's changed quite a bit. They have a bunch of bushes and trees ripped out. They have that doorway ripped out. New foundation for the deck is all set, and the brick guys should come in pretty soon and start rebuilding it as it was, but with a better foundation. I think a lot of this needs to have a new foundation, so, well, I mean, a lot of this just needs to be rebuilt because they use really hard mortar on this, and it's destroyed the bricks, because if you use harder mortar, it kills your bricks. Like that. So that's all gotta go and be replaced. But it's gonna be put back exactly how it was before, just, you know, ready for another 100 years. They turn that into a window, because you don't really need a doorway there, it's kind of pointless. I might rip all this out. I'm pretty sure they will. More stuff was ripped out. There was like 5 sets of Christmas lights and whatnot on the building. I couldn't even see them, but they were just pulling down just entire strands of Christmas lights. I guess they just never thought to take them off. It's weird. Now, the well head, or whatever the term is, the well cap, I guess, has been moved. So I worry that it's not very structurally sound anymore. So, like, I was kind of thinking about going down there, but I'm not going to do that now that it's all been moved, because I'm afraid that now the old well might collapse. So now I'm probably gonna make something to go down there to scoop up all the stuff at the bottom, or vacuum it all up, and we can sort through all the stuff up here. You know, because if we go magnet fishing, we only get the metal stuff and not the bottles. So that's pretty much it for the outside. We got the inside done pretty well too. It's like a game of spot the differences. I believe they took down all of this, but it could have been the same as last time. They removed all of the rock flooring. It helped a little bit with this. Today we're upstairs taking out a beam, I believe, so let's go ahead and help with that.
It turns out that water points out that there's plenty of women that are watching my lectures and coming to my talks and buying my books. The majority of them happen to be men.
Men and women.
But
that exists.
Yeah. One of them is not the only one. Like if you're a social scientist, worth yourself, you have to do univariate analysis. I can say, well, with an
We have a load carrying wall. Where did I put my jacket over there? Is it in that box?
Yeah, your jacket, he's wearing one.
Yeah, I was thinking my other jacket.
Oh, that's your vest.
My hoodie.
Your hoodie?
Yeah.
Sorry. How dare you?
It's like, huh?
You have a new battery in it?
And we were trying to figure out how to
Oh, okay.
do this. And there was a huge debate.
The bicycle helmet is going to cost less than a pink one.
Can I try to
we'll come on
get
to
the other
that.
battery
because
before I
men
went
have
upstairs?
cigarettes. Right, so they won't put up with it.
National defense is not fully funded. So a few things about this week. Number one, it's fascinating that he's saying,
So the scrap guys are taking out the air conditioning system, and I'm going to open up that window for them because I'm afraid that they're going to fall off the roof because it's really slippery. Hey, you guys can go up through here now. Yeah, you go through that one. Yeah, so. So wrong. I can take it, go up down there.
Fix Rooster. It hurts my stomach to fix. It's so disgusting. He'd pick me up at the police station in Wellington, and sometimes police cars would drive past. It's symptomatic of an attitude that's allowed this to happen, she says. People say to themselves, well, of course she got in his car, she took the cigarette, she took the money, she came back for more. Without joining the dots and asking why a 13-year-old has apparently been
Okay.
We are now.
Okay, then I can go on better.
because police tended to play child sexual abuse.
Well, that's pretty much it. Got this all put up and ready to have a wall through here to make this back into a room like it originally was. Got that pump off of that compressor off the refrigerator. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya!